So today I'm going to teach you guys how I find keywords for any site and how to find ones that are really easy to rank for, ones that will get you loads of traffic and things that you don't have to try very hard to achieve. And this will work for any site. So whether you're a well-established huge site or whether you're a brand new blog setting out, this is a great way to do it. So we're going to look for pets today. So here's our 1,000,001 terms that are to do with cats. So what we want to do is set up the following filters. So we want lowest DR of 10 in the top 10. You can go even lower than that. So maybe you might even go 5 in the top 10 or 5 in the top 5. It depends on what your particular keywords are like. We also want to do a keyword of at least 3 in length. So rather than searching for the word cat, we're looking for like more long tails. So cats that lie, or cat, hat, red, or whatever it might be. Now that we've searched for this, as you can see, these are all low keyword difficulty, but the really interesting thing is look at the amount of volume we've got. So this has got 28,000 potential traffic, and actually like all of these are killer keywords. They're all long tail. They're all for cats. I mean, we could just run probably all of these keywords and have a really great time. I mean, this has actually got a bunch of keywords under the whole cluster. And you can see that these are all really sustainable. Like this one's growing. Adopt me free pets. Probably we might not want to run that unless we're specifically like having some way of adopting them. But Arnold Schwarzenegger pets, it's clearly shooting off. It got updated 3 days ago, flying to the moon. I imagine Arnold Schwarzenegger's obviously just done something on social media or on TV to do with his pets. All about pets. Do cats understand kisses? At such low keyword difficulty. We didn't filter specifically for keyword difficulty, but we know that not only are these easy, but there's already sites with pretty trash ranking or pretty trash domain authority in the top 10. So we can just jump in there and gain all of these keywords so easily by just matching what they have. Another really good thing you can do is you can look at one of these websites that's ranking really well in these high keyword things and then just steal the rest of their keywords. So if we look for this particular keyword here, we can see that we're competing against like Quora and Catalogical. We can also see some keywords here that have got a high keyword difficulty, but actually there's a site ranking in this search results that's not that good. And that means that they're not that good. We can be just a little bit better. We can rank extremely well for this. So what I tend to do is I will take this big list of keywords here. What you can do is you can go to ChatGPT. You can literally use 3.5 for this for all it matters. And then just say, can you extract this list of keywords for me, separated by new lines? Paste all the stuff from Ahrefs. And down the bottom, here we go. Here's all of our keywords. Just going to extract this. I personally will just take this to Article Fiesta and I will paste in this line. And you do it again, but without the numbers. There we go. We'll try again. And we can just put this in here. Again, remove duplicates. There's 51 here. So the top line is certainly, we don't need this. I will then choose my pet blog and I will set my niche to pets. And got all the other options here. You don't need to care about this. And then I'll just post. And there we go. In about 10 minutes, I will have 50 new articles on my website, all of which will be ranking for those articles that we know are easy to rank for. They're all really low keyword difficulty, and they've all got an easy to beat site in the top 10. And actually, the 60 keywords that live under this, if you want to bleed into those clusters, you can do so. And I encourage you to do that. It's slightly too long for the sake of this video, but hopefully you can see how we can really quickly pick out some stuff that even though there's a keyword difficulty of 37, it's not actually that hard. There's crappy sites in there. There's 3.9 thousand people hitting that page every day. And you can take these keywords. Like, look at the values. And some of these are $1.50 a click, $2 a click, and they've got 1,800. Like, let's do the maths. Let's do 7.6 times by $2. Well, I can tell you off the top of my head, it's more than 15 grand. $15,200 every month is available for ads for there. That's crazy, right? But all of that is pointless if you can't capitalize on it and optimize everything else that you need to do on page. If you look at this video here, I'll show you how to do it though.